What I'll bandy with you moment is how important plutocrat can be earned online. We know that currently there are numerous ways to earn plutocrat online. If you want to earn plutocrat online also you need to learn some effects. And you need to know how important plutocrat can be earned online by doing any work. If you want to know how important plutocrat can be earned online and how to earn online. To know its details we've to read the entire composition of this composition precisely. How important plutocrat can be earned online. Currently people are giving important significance to online jobs and earning thousands of rupees by working here. However, you can also earn plutocrat by working online, if you want. Our content moment is how important plutocrat can be earned online. Yes, Musketeers moment I'll give you some ideas through which you can understand how important plutocrat you can earn by doing online work. If we say in one word how important plutocrat can be earned online, there's no catch. The more you work, the further plutocrat you can earn. The nethermost line is that online income is unlimited. The reason for this is that there's no limit to earning online. The more professed you're in online work and the further work you do, the further plutocrat you can earn. Presently those who work on some normal motifs online also earn from 30,000 taka to lakhs of taka per month. Read the entire composition of our runner precisely to know what to do to earn lakhs of rupees online. Those who work with colorful websites can earn from 20,000 taka to lakhs of taka per month. Those who are graphic contrivers can earn from 30,000 taka to lakhs of taka per month by creating different types of new and seductive designs like ensigns. Web contrivers can earn from Rs.000 to several lakhs per month online by working on other websites. Piecemeal from the below jobs, there are numerous other jobs in the online world which can be done according to your chops and you can earn 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees every month from home. The quantum of plutocrat you can earn online isn't possible from any government or private job. Educational qualification of online earner. Presently numerous people want to know how important educational qualification is needed to earn plutocrat online. Simply put, if you're working online also there's no academy council educational qualification value. You'll need chops in the online sector. It depends on how good you're at the job you do online. No separate educational qualification is needed. And do not do any kind of pad to work online. Still, your instrument won't be useful for online jobs, if you're a largely educated person from a reputed university. We know that currently there are numerous people who are earning further than 1 lakh rupees per month by working online with secondary academy instrument. That being said, you're clear then chops and experience are more important than academy council qualifications. If you're a really educated person also you'll understand the online jobs duly and can work online briskly than lower educated people. Stylish way to earn online. We read these motifs and set up out how important plutocrat can be earned by doing any work. Now what you need to know is what are the stylish ways to earn online. If you want to know about this also stay with us. Then we will mention some popular online income motifs. How important plutocrat can be earned online and where to work. Earn online by writing papers. Earn online by blogging. Earn online by copywriting. Online income from Google AdSense. Earn from YouTube. Earn online by rephrasing. Earn by designing plates. Earn by doing micro jobs. Earn online by writing papers. Presently, one of the popular online jobs is to earn income by writing papers. One of the easiest ways to earn online is by writing papers. Online composition jotting takes lower time if you're good at computer typing. And if you do not know computer codifying also you can work by voice codifying, it'll take much lower time. Your income will double. Composition jotting online can be learned in a veritably short time and requires a lot of skill. If you're a professed person also you can earn a lot of plutocrat by working on your point or others' point. Still, you can earn from 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees per month online from your home, if you're a professed pen. Earn online by blogging. There are numerous ways to earn online. One of the easiest and most popular ways is blogging. Earn online by copywriting. Copywriting is suppose you have a website. You write in composition about a content on that website but you do not know exactly what to write about. Also you'll search on Google and see that there will be numerous websites of that content. From those spots, you write the dupe written by decorating it with new features in your own language is called dupe jotting. Presently, those who are working online are earning a lot of plutocrat by doing the copywriting work. If you're a dupe pen also you also need to know all the information about composition jotting. Still, you can earn some lower plutocrat if you work with copywriting. Because you have copied and edited someone differently as writing. However, you can earn further plutocrat than copywriting, if you do your own jotting. Online income from Google AdSense. Presently there are numerous websites who are earning crores of rupees using Google AdSense. You may wonder what Google AdSense is. Google AdSense is a big ad network of Google. Currently Google AdSense is the golden deer. To get this golden deer, you need to have a website, a YouTube channel or a mobile app. You can connect Google AdSense through that platform. Earn from YouTube. YouTube channel is an easy and popular way to earn online. Income from YouTube channel has come like a job these days. Those who want to earn online first launch with blogging or YouTube. YouTube is a videotape platform of Google. All types of vids can be seen then for free. Also, the intriguing thing is that if you work with YouTube channel, you can produce a YouTube channel then for free. And then you can earn plutocrat by adding AdSense by uploading as numerous vids as you like. Earn online by rephrasing. Presently, there are about 1,000 people in the world. There are people in the world who are fluent in only a many languages. There are numerous who know 1 or 2 languages but don't know any other languages. When someone does not know a language, he can fluently come and hire a linguist to restate it into their own language. Earn by designing plates. Graphic design is one of the most popular income aqueducts moment. We know graphic design work is creative. This work is veritably important. Because if you produce a website also your point needs totem, theme etc. Still, there are numerous types of design jobs available online, if you want to earn plutocrat by designing plates. I'll order numerous different designs. Either, if you produce a website and work with plates design, also you can do marketing from there. How important plutocrat can be earned by designing plates? At present, he's earning from 20,000 taka to 1 lakh taka in the morning by working in graphics. However, you can earn several lakhs of rupees every month, if you work as a graphic developer in a big company. There's a lot of demand for this job in our country and outside the country as well. If you dream of making crores of rupees every month also you can do the graphic design job.